Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about some of the international scholarships which are available for in students. Especially here I am going to talk about the Indian students. So I came to the Khan Foundation. Here's all the scholarships which are available are listed here. First one is the American Council for International Education, Australia Award, British Chevron Scholarship. This scholarship is given to the Indian students. Indian student can check here. British Federation of Women Graduate, British Masters Scholarship, you can see here, Canadian Centennial Scholarship Fund, Canon Collin Trust, European Union Erasmus Plus Program Funding Scholarship, France the Eiffel Excellence Scholarship Program, Gates Cambridge Scholarship. I believe this is one of the most important scholarship. Those who are applying for this UK, especially in the Cambridge University. You can see from the name only. Germany, the DAD scholarship. When we talk about the Germany, the first in mind comes the DAD scholarship. Indian student can apply for this DAD scholarship. Global Affair Canada scholarship, International Education Financial Aid, International Research and Excellence Board, International Student, uh, JN Tata Endowment Fund. This is also one of the most important scholarship for those Indian student applying abroad. This J.N. Tata Endowment Award, a one-time loan scholarship to Indian national for the postgraduate PhD postdoctoral study. You need high academic record and other achievement to the credit. Margaret MC Nimmer Education Grant. Here you can say NAMIC Open Society Foundation for Pakistan student, Pakistan Higher Education Commission scholarship, Science Career Scholarship, the American Association of University Women, the Asian Development Bank (ADB), the Asian Development Bank Japan Scholarship offer 150 postgraduate scholarship a year for study in economics, management, science and technology and other development related to the field at the participating academic institutes. Here in the Asian nations will come. For more, you can check the respective website. Like here, I'm telling about this all scholarship. You can type the name in Google and you can get more information about. Just here, I'm describing about all the scholarship which you can avoid. You can see which is best suited for you. The another scholarship for the Indian student is the Charles Wallace India Trust. The INLAC Foundation. It is also for Indian students, I believe. Yeah, continuously unemployed are been studying in India. You can see here the John Hopkins Scholarship, the Netherlands Students Grant Finner, the Rhodes Scholarship attainable at the University of. When it comes to the scholarship list, the people generally talk about one of the most and important scholarship, that is the Rhodes Scholarship, which is available every year for the Oxford University. If you are applying to the Oxford University and you get admission, you certainly apply for this scholarship, Rhodes Scholarship. I personally believe this is one of the most important scholarship. The Rotary Foundation Scholarship, the SAID Foundation Scholarship, the Cell Century Scholarship, the Swiss Government Scholarship, UK Commonwealth Scholarship, UK Overseas Research Scholarship, USA Fine Aid, US UK Fulbright Commission, World Bank Scholarship. You can see there. These are some of the scholarship which is available. You can type this World Bank scholarship, see the eligibility for which country the scholarship is. So you can here find a list of all the scholarship which is available. So main purpose of this video is to make aware of different scholarship which is available for different countries. Here mostly I describe about the scholarship which are available for the Indian students. Like I have highlighted them. Thank you.